welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Daniel Jacob. Hope you all are liking our videos and sharing our videos. Please support us by liking, sharing and subscribing, and don't forget to click the bell icon and all option. For today we are going to make a simple paper rocket. For this we need a straw, glue, pencil, a piece of thread, scissors, scale, or different colors of paper and glue gun. Start by cutting this rectangular sheet of paper into the shape of a rocket. Now cut two pieces of circle like this and stick them over here and here like this. Now we have to draw the wings of the rocket. See friends, I have drawn it like this. Now cut this part. Now we have to stick the two wings to the body. Now we have to take another piece of paper and draw a triangular shape. We are going to take a piece of red color paper and fold it like this, and again and again. Now we have to cut a small triangular piece over here. You should have something like this. Now stick this part like this and cut according to the shape of the triangle. Now stick this part over here like this. Friends, our rocket will be like this. Now we have to do the mechanism for launching the rocket. Now we have to cut 4 small pieces of the straw. Now we have to turn the rocket and stick 2 pieces of straw like this. Now I have taken some thread over here. I have kept it double for thickness. Now first we are going to take one side of the thread and put it through this part of the straw. Now take this part and put it in another piece of straw. Take this part and tie a knot over here. Similarly, repeat the same step on the other side also. Now our rocket will look like this. Come on, let's do a trial. What are you waiting for? Hang your rocket on a hook like this. Now we have to pull these two parts so that the rocket launches. Hit in 3, 2, 1, go! See friends? Enjoy playing with your rocket. Please like, share, subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon and all options. Bye bye. Thank you.